Good morning, guys. Well, another problem. This is the second tire puncture that I have on my car, but this one is the most severe. This is how the tire looks, and it happened last night when I drove over a sewer. It wasn't caused by the let's say a hole or something like that, but something punctured the tire. Right away I didn't notice any air leaks, and I thought it was just a small stone or something like that, but this morning I had this surprise, so I will try to do it myself, but using a special foam that should repair this tire puncture and allow me to go to a service and replace it and repair it properly. Yeah, this wasn't how I imagined my my morning, my Monday morning, but thank God I didn't have to leave urgent anyway. Let's see what we've done. So we need to screw it really well and secure in place. So this is about it. It's as good as it gets. And one more thing, try to have this nozzle at a 45-degree angle. So don't use it if you would have this here down, because it will not be able to pull it or to push the foam in. Okay, and now let's turn it on So off is there, on is there, and I need to let the whole content of the spray get in the tire. I will put some glasses on first because I don't know where the puncture is and I don't want anything to spray in my face. Let's see. So always use some protection. And let's turn it on. We need to rip this seal first, and now on. It looks really cool and it does the job. You can see the tire starts to inflate. So it's a lot better than it was before, and I will wait to make sure it doesn't push anything no more. It's really easy and awesome. still going. And I really don't know where that puncture is. It must be somewhere beneath the tire, because I don't see any leaks. Here, you can see. And there is another stone. Okay, so now it is, you can see it still has some juice left. Have patience. Every single PSI matters, or a fraction of a PSI. But yeah, you can already see the tire looks amazing, and I will be able to go to the service like this. So this is the moment of truth. With the protection glasses on, I will turn off now the spray, the diffuser. You see it still goes, but this should be enough. So let's turn it like this. And now it's off. Let's disconnect it fast. It's really easy and clean. It's really amazing. I didn't expect it to be such a clean procedure. You can see I don't have any gloves or anything like this. So yeah, now it's drivable. Otherwise I would have not been able to go with it to the service. I would have destroyed my entire tire, and this Michelin Alpine 6 are brand new. But all bad things towards the good. Let's go to the car service and repair this tire puncture. I've arrived to the tire service, and it really looks very well before the change. But yeah, now I see where the puncture is. Just let me show you. There. It's basically a screw that went all in. That's it. So at the tire shop, they replaced my puncture tire with a spare one before repairing that one. And as you saw in the previous recording, that is that substance that is pushed in your tire. All I can tell you is that you really need to wash it off very well, otherwise you will need to throw the tire out, because it will lose air pressure continuously. I didn't know this when I used this spray. Otherwise, I must admit I would have not used it at all, and I would have tried to change myself the spare tire. But right now I will take the puncture one and rinse it, wash it as well as I can with soap. Well guys, I finished the wash of the tire. This is as best as I could do it. We see here is the that nasty screw, and check it out how big it is. So so it punctured all the way in. I've washed all the that milky liquid, that milky substance, and I really hope for the best, that I will not have to buy a new tire. I mean, honestly, if I knew this from the first, I would have not used that tire repair kit at all. I mean, I don't even know why they put them on the market. But yeah. I really hope this will be good enough. I used a kitchen detergent, liquid soap, and yeah, now it's just a matter of time and faith, and I pray to God I will not have done more harm than good. Right now I have, as you saw, the spare tire on. I will go now and have the screw taken out, and reinstalled the winter tire. Let's see how it goes. Well guys, the tire is back on. As a final conclusion, I do not advise you or recommend you to buy such a tire repair kit. No matter how much I really loved it in the beginning, before I knew the substance inside it melts and softens the tire, thus you'll lose the pressure in the future. Buy a air pump and inflate your tire in such a way that it will allow you to move the car until you reach the nearest tire service, or simply replace it with your spare one and then repair it. Hope you'll appreciate my honest opinion. Again, I didn't knew from the beginning it will do more harm than good. You can see how great, how big this screw was. You can see with all the things. It's basically, this is a brand new screw, and I don't know how this could have gotten out. It's something that you cannot evade, and you can imagine the irony. The same thing happened with my previous Michelin winter tires, the Alpine A4. The same tire, but that time I was lucky. It was a smaller screw, and it didn't went through, so I was able to remove it by hand and continue my way. But I stopped right away. I saw it and I managed to pull it out. This one, I guess I was just it was bad luck. I stopped 2 times to check for it, and every time I didn't see it. It was right on the base, but you can imagine it already went through, so I didn't had what to do at night. Yeah, I'm really sorry to see that this is the major downside of all these products. It doesn't matter what brand it is. You will destroy your tire from the inside out, and it really it's not worth it. You can imagine, in my case, these tires are brand new. I paid for each about 85 to 90 US dollars, or let's say 80 euros each. So when I heard that I would have to buy a new one, I couldn't believe it. But hopefully no harm was done in the end. I washed and I rinsed the tire as best as I could, and this was the issue. I will wrap this up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I wish you all the best, and I really hope and pray to God you will not have encounter or will not encounter my problem. Stay safe wherever you are. Have only pleasant road trips without any bad surprises. If you would like to support my channel, please consider using the Amazon links found in the description below. If you have any other questions, please do so. Ask them in the comment section below. I promise I will answer to every one of them. I will watch the tire in the next days and see if it will flatten out or not. I really hope it will not be the case. And take care wherever you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.